In this video, I'll show you how to invite channel member to a Discord server. So this video basically is an educational video only. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now, for you to be able to invite a channel member to a Discord server, that is, it should be also your Discord server, you're going to choose anyone you want to invite, right? So let's say I want to invite David right here. I'm going to right click my mouse. I'm going to click on the profile, right? So okay, yeah, what you're gonna do, you need to go to your server, right? To your server. So you're gonna click here, you're gonna see the invite people, right? So you can see there's a whole lot of people right here you can invite on board, or you can basically just get this link, right? If you have gotten this link, you're gonna go to this. Let's say I want to invite David, right? I'm gonna right click, I'm gonna see the profile, I'm gonna see the message, right? I can open his DM, right? I can send him a direct message, then I can, but I don't want to basically do this, right? So because he's not my friend, so this is basically how you can invite channel member to a Discord server. So it's pretty easy. If you get your link, you give to your friends, your family, anyone that want to join up would basically join up. So this is basically how you can do this. If you want this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'm gonna see you, my friends, in the very next one.